In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collaborators on Replit. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Replit account to manage collaboration settings, open the right project, and kick off a shared workspace smoothly. First, open your browser and head to replit.com. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your projects and settings. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the screen. That sidebar is your main navigation hub, and we'll use it to get to the settings that control who can work with you. Click on Settings. This opens the area where you manage preferences for your account and workspace. Take a moment to let the page load fully. Some options can appear a moment after the initial settings panel opens. Next, click on Workspace Collaborators. This is the dedicated place for managing collaboration. Here, you can see who currently has access to your workspace, and this is where you'll return later anytime you want to review or adjust collaboration options. If you're part of multiple workspaces, double check that you're in the correct one before moving on. From here, click on Go to Apps. This takes you directly to the list of your projects on Replit, often called RPLs. It's essentially your dashboard for all the work you've created or have access to. Now select the project you want to make collaborations on. Choose the one your team will be working in so you can set everything up in the right place. If you have many projects, use the search bar or scan by name to avoid opening the wrong one. Double-click the project to open it. You should now be inside the editor, with your files on the left, the main code area in the center, and the console or output pane ready to run your code. Give the page a moment so all collaboration-related tools initialize. Once you're inside the project, you're set to work collaboratively. With your collaboration settings already handled from the Workspace Collaborator section, you can now focus on building together. Finally, start a new prompt for the collaboration. Use this prompt to kick off the discussion, outline goals, jot down tasks, and set expectations for who's doing what. It's a great place to capture context, share notes, and keep your team aligned as you code. That's it. You went to Replit, navigated through settings to workspace collaborators, jumped to your apps, opened the correct project, and started a fresh prompt to guide your teamwork. If something doesn't appear right away, refresh the page, confirm you're in the intended workspace, and make sure your internet connection is stable. Happy collaborating!